Alright, so we are here at this cafe. One of my friends told me about it, and they have cannolis and macaroons. You want gelato? Yeah. Ooh, it looks really good, huh?
Look at this.
Ooh. That's the one you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
That one cost.
Look at that. These napkins are so cute. How's your ice cream? Uh-oh. Okay, look it up, baby. Put all these on your lap. Okay, there you go. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, eat your ice cream, baby. It's dripping. Ooh.
I'm ripping it. You can try some of these too.
Nice. Christian has been dying to get these. They unfortunately didn't have the macaroons, but it's okay, next time. She's happy she has ice cream. Happy Father's Day, honey.
Thank you. Oh, you got something on.
What is going on, guys? So this is Presley's room, and we just basically cleared it completely out, so it's empty. All of this is the Ikea loft, right?
Kura bed.
Kura bed, sorry, yes. Okay, so the Ikea Kura bed. And originally we had planned on making it into a castle.
Yes.
But time got the best of us. We are still trying to declutter and organize literally everything right now because we have all of our Korea shipment. We have all of our stuff that we accumulated before we got any of our shipment, and then all of our Florida stuff. So we've been just like jam-packed with also trying to enjoy summer and Christian working so much that this bed DIY thing has been put on a hold. And by the time you guys see this, Christian will be back from his TDY. And so that's another reason why we decided to go ahead and just put it together for now. And the DIY will be for another time if we ever get to it. So this is the before. The before. All right, so one last little view, the before. Okay. Me and Christian have a little bet going on. I think he should be able to put just the bed part together in like an hour. He thinks I'm crazy. He thinks it'll take him longer for whatever reason. And also, you guys, happy Father's Day to my handsome husband. Yeah, he's building on Father's Day. Check him out. Doing dad things. Show them your beer that you got. So this beer here is, what, honey? What is it? It's a...
I don't know. I just got it because it said lager dark. I don't like dark beers.
Yeah, we got it at Vizotto. So, yeah. Do you like it? Yeah. So today we are just gonna order some pizza from our town. And then just call it like a chill kind of day, Father's Day, because tomorrow we are going to Venice, where we'll have some really good food and enjoy the day. Maybe we'll take you guys along with us. We'll see. I'll show you guys the finished product when he's done. Here is a progress update. So I just checked the timer because I set the timer for 1 hour, and he has a little under 5 minutes left. Do you think you're gonna make it, hun? You are getting there. It's looking really good. All right, guys, we'll be back. Ciao, amore. guys hear the bells? Let's go home. Okay. So normally Christian runs in and he also orders the pizza as well. I tried something different this time. I normally just stick to the basic stuff, you know, but there's this cheese that I tried at this winery called Montasio, and it's super good, and this pizza has it. Also, the lady gave me a free 7-Up, so sweet. Christian, when he goes in, they usually offer him something too, like a beer or whatever, also for free. So super sweet. We love that place. Their pizza is so good. I love it. Let's go ahead and head on home now. What kind is it?
Margarita.
Let me see. Wow. That looks really good. I'm gonna go cut it for you, okay?
Okay.
Ciao.
I like the man.
You like the man on there?
Go ahead, look. Look.
Can you do it?
There you go. Figure it out.
There you go. Whoa. Ah,
Hey, hey.
no.
No. What do you think? Is it good?
How do you tell?
What?
All right, you guys. What do you think? It's together.
I'll stay here.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you.
Daddy love. You see underneath? It's like a little fort.
Underneath there, you can put all your stuffies.
Aww.
Go in there. Whoa. That's really cool, huh?
So I can show you where not the sun is blocking me.
Yeah. Good job, hun.